Good day, everyone. I am Maria Teresa, and I am the last reporter in this group, and I will be talking about the short stories. Right? We already talked about the epic, the legend, the riddles, and now we will be talking about the short stories. Now, what is short stories, or what is short story? A short story is a brief, made-up narrative, an account of sequence of events. The events in a short story can take place in a burning desert, in a mountain fortress, or a street just like yours. So from the ordinary to the extraordinary. So a short story can show you the world from a different point of view. Alright? So we have the elements of a short story. So we have here the characters, the setting, the conflict, the plot, the theme. So in characters, of course, the people, the animals or objects, that appear in the story. So in settings, the place where the story takes place. Now it helps in creating the atmosphere of the story. So the next one is the conflict. Of course, the issue that appears in the story. The next one is the plot, the sequence of events in the story. And lastly, the theme. It is a lesson or a message behind the story, or behind the short story. So in in the Philippines, here in the Philippines, we have the famous short story writer. No, she is Liwayway Ablaza Arceo. No, she was a renowned short story writer. Dili lang siya she's not just the story writer. She is also a radio script writer. The historian, translator, and editor in the Tagalog language. Some of her famous works include the stories Canal de la Arena in 1972 and Titzer 1995. So, here are some of the collection of her short stories na ay merong Uhaw ng Tigang na Lupa at Iba Pang Katha in 1968, Mga Piling Katha 1984, Ina, May Bahay, Anak at Iba pa in 1990, Ang Mag-anak na Cruz in 1991. One of the short stories that she wrote won the first prize in the Carlos Palanca Memorial Awards in 1962 and was dubbed Feminist Theory. This short story of her is the Banyaga. The Banyaga. Banyaga, um, Banyaga. The Banyaga is all about the story of a woman named Feli, who is judge and the subject of the story. So the story also feature Eduardo, a teacher and a close friend of Feli, and Nana Ibang, who raised and supported Feli. So the setting is Feli's house in the Paradel High School. It won the first prize in the Carlos Palanca Memorial Awards in 1962 and was dubbed Feminist Theory. No, as a writer, so Liwei Wai received following awards. No, she has a lot of awards. The Carlos Palanca for Tagalog Short Story in 1962, which is the Banyaga. The CCP Award for Literature presented by the Cultural Center of the Philippines in 1993. Doctorate in Human Letters, honoris causa, from the University of the Philippines in 1991. Catholic Authors Award from the Asian Catholic Publishers in 1990. Tigawad Balagtas Life Achievement Award for Fiction from the Writers Union of the Philippines, or OMPIL, in 1998. And I think that's all. Thank you.